I saw some people asking, what is the orange triangle on Instagram? So let me show you. I'm gonna go to my DMs, and this is essentially a way to flag your DM. And there's two ways to do this. Let me scroll to like a chat that's safe here. We'll just use goated polls. And I can swipe over from the right, tap more, and then tap flag. You'll see that this chat is now flagged with the orange triangle. It doesn't mean anything bad, it's just another way to mark a chat as important or something like that. You can remove the orange flag by going to more and unflag. You can also tap into the chat and then hit the flag in the top right, go back, and it will be flagged again. You can unflag it the same way by tapping the button in the top right, and then it's gone. So there you have it. There's the orange flag in Instagram, how to flag your messages or DMs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Check out the other videos on my channel. There's hundreds of Instagram tutorials. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.